Okay, we doing something different. I just left the gym. So I say, hey, let me eat a little bite. Look. It looks kind of appetizing, right? Let's see what it tastes like. Spicy chicken. Tastes pretty good. With a lot of veggies. Look at us trying to be all healthy. She put half lettuce, half salad. Pretty. Mm. You don't lose this way. It's pretty good. Different. And they were pretty nice. Let's try it one time with the chopstick. Let's see if I'm gonna do with the chopstick. Put a little bit of salt. But I think I can do it. I'm gonna see. I can't even find the lid. Okay. I'm gonna make a long video. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm eating. I'm paying attention.